Hello, fellow students of history. My name is Andrew Finney, and today's lecture will be about the Egyptian pharaoh known as Ramses the Great. Before he was Ramses the Great, he was just Ramses II, the son of an Egyptian pharaoh, Seti I. Ramses was born around 1290 BCE and would live to be nearly 100 years old. This was back when the average life expectancy was nowhere near that old like it is today. There is a reason he lived to be such an old age, outliving many of his 100 children he's been said to have fathered. Ramses owed a lot of this good fortune to his father, Seti, because he was given a good education and was able to learn how to be a king from a young age. By the age of 10, Ramses held the rank of captain in his father's military. Egypt expanded greatly under Ramses' leadership. Egypt included not only the lands around the Nile River, but also the land of the Jewish people, including Jerusalem, as well as the land of the Syrian people further north. Ramses was able to successfully fight off the Hittites in his newly conquered territory, and because of this, Egyptians and Hittites formed the first known peace treaty in the world. Military victories helped Ramses become great, but what led Egypt to a golden age was his prowess as a builder. He oversaw the construction of many temples throughout his empire, the most famous one being Abu Simbel, as seen on the right. In his 66-year reign, Ramses constructed great monuments up and down the Nile River. While many of these monuments were grand temples, the biggest monument was his own pyramid. What do you think makes Ramses great? Was it his military victories, or was it his many construction projects through his empire, or a bit of both? We will discuss further during class time. Thank you. Have a great day.